Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video we're going to be talking about a really quick dross removal method. Now many of you know, and for those few of you that don't, I sell plasma cut blanks over at our website blacksmithpdfs.com. There'll be a link for that down in the description down below. But when I sell them with the dross that comes off of the plasma cut from the plasma cutter. One, to save time and to save you costs. That's number two, right? So this way you guys can do it. I've been asked a couple times how you get the dross off, and I'm going to show you a super slick, easy method where the dross just basically breaks right away. So without further ado, let's flip you around and we will take a look at removing dross off this piece. Okay, so here we are at the anvil, and hopefully you guys can see this really well. I'll bring it up to the camera a little bit, maybe it'll focus it on it. Right there is what we're talking about, the dross removal from this edge. There's a little bit of a rim around here, and what that is, that's just the molten pool of slag of what's left from the actual cut on the plasma cutter. And you don't want to beat this into shape with this here because it'll distort your edge. It'll leave this kind of rough looking on the edge. So we want to get that off. So the quickest way that I have found to do this, real simple, is just take your piece and hammer it right on edge. And that dross just pops right off. Can you see that coming right off there? Let's come up a little closer to the camera. See that little bit of dross right there? A little bit of dross right there. Gone it goes. That quick and easy. You can see it popping off just like so. No grinding required. Now, occasionally you will find this piece here, or that on really rough cut stuff. Now, I have my settings set for really high quality edge, but you'll find that the dross might be fairly heavy, and sometimes it doesn't even want to come off with a little bit of hammering. And in that case, you have to take and throw on, you know, a wire wheel on an angle grinder and knock it off with a bit of force. But usually hammering on the edge ends up breaking, you know, like a sharp line. It just breaks it because it's a crisp edge. It snaps off that dross, which was a byproduct, fairly easily. So I just snap that right on around, and that whole piece is now cleaned up of any of the dross that's on there, and we're ready to go to town. If you are doing this on your anvil, remember that dross is kind of hardened stuff, so you don't want to leave it on the surface of your anvil when you get to forging, because guess what? It's going to impregnate itself into your steel, so best not do that. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out these blanks, you can find them over our website, blacksmithpdfs.com. Again, linked up in the description down below. And I hope that you guys found this video helpful. No matter what type of cutting you may do, hell, you may even cut it yourself out and you'll find, how can I get this dross off? I hope that'll be helpful to you. That's it. God bless. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.